I don't know why they put a headband wig in here, even though this is a U-part wig, but I'm down with it. I'm cool. It's just another one to add to my collection. What's up, you guys? I'm back with a hair review. So if this wig does look familiar, I did just finish filming a video for this unit. The link will be in the description box if you are interested. But this wig is sent from WoWigs. So this was sent to me for review by WoWigs. So this is the first time I'm working with this company. So I'm really excited. And number one, I'm loving this box. This box is very, very beautiful. So I just wanted to do an unboxing and installation for you guys. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So here is the packaging. Very, very super cute silk bag here. And it did come with one headband. And this card here and a little blue edge brush, which is cute. So let's go ahead and open up the packaging. Very, very cute. Perfect for storing your wig after it's finished being worn. Ooh, look at this wave pattern, y'all. So it is a 20-inch unit, 100% virgin hair, 20 inches. All the information will be in the description box for this unit. And guys, this is a U-part unit. So look at this. Oh my gosh, these curls are absolutely beautiful. So this is a U-part unit. This unit will give you that sew-in look with a very little leave out and very, very quick installation. So you don't have to braid and sew the wig down if you don't want to. Very, very quick installation. That's why I love U-part wigs. So very, very quick installation. This band here is just for purposes to keep the wig together, so you will cut that off later. But yeah, let's get into the inside of the wig. So it has 2 combs on the side near the ears, 1 comb near the back, and it does have adjustable straps, and it does have clips around the leave out area. So once you leave your leave out, you'll clip it around the leave out. Now I would recommend anchor braids around your leave out, just so it'll be easier to clip the clips in once you are ready to install. So I will go ahead and get my leave out go ahead and braid and anchor braid around that, and yeah, we will go from there. But look at this unit. Oh my gosh, these curls are gorgeous. Like, I just cannot get over these curls. It is so beautiful. So all right, I will be back. I may have another outfit on, so don't be alarmed, but I will go ahead and do my leave out and I'll be right back. All right, so as y'all can tell, it is the next day, and I went ahead and braided my hair in the pattern that I needed for the leave out for this U-part wig. All right, so here is the unit. I went ahead and cut that little band off that was holding the unit together, and here is how the unit looks. So here is the braid pattern. Like I said, I wanted to make 2 anchor braids around my leave out, and I made an anchor braid here and an anchor braid here. These are actually going to be tucked back into the wig. I'm going to like bobby pin these back because you want everything flat. Now I'm not going to be able to put on a wig cap because that'll cover up the braids and defeat the purpose of the leave out. So just wanted to show you the pattern. So here's the leave out. You definitely want to make sure you measure your leave out to make sure it's the right length and width for the wig. And you don't want to leave too much because then it'll be more space in the wig cap than you need. You want to make sure it's tight. So when you put the wig on around your leave out, you want to make sure it is tight up against that leave out and not a lot of space is left in the back. So the way you do that, you make your leave out smaller than what you think. So even though a space is very wide, you still want to measure it. Measure it to where it'll be tight against your head. Don't measure it out here. Measure it to where it's tight around all sides of the wig. So that's just a tip. But here's my pattern: 2 anchor braids around the leave out, anchor braid here for the comb, anchor braid here for the comb, and then I did put 1 braid right here in the back for the comb to go up into. And then I did 2 little Really quick little French braids, nothing, you know, major, but you do want it flat underneath. So that's pretty much the braid pattern. So let's go ahead and put her on. Make sure you do the adjustable straps in the back. And with U-part wigs, I forgot to mention, you do want a little bit of leave out at the front, so when the wind blows, they see your hair and not, you know, the track of the wig. So leave out, braid, 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 and then an anchor braid in the back at the nape of your head. But that's just my way of doing it. You can do it any way you like. So this unit has combs. So what I'm gonna do, flip the wig over, open up the combs, and start sliding the combs into position. So slide it and snap. Slide it in there and snap. And as you can see, the track doesn't come all the way up here. So that's why you leave out some and then have your anchor braid behind that leave out, because you don't want that flappy piece to be like flapping around up here. So you take your other clip, open it, and snap it in. Now you want to do the back. So it feels like it's nice and snug. I feel like it's not going anywhere. It's laying down nicely. And there is a comb here, so you want to put that in the braid. That's why it's good to have that anchor braid there. A comb here. Put it in your anchor braid. Now the thing about this unit, the ear tabs fit perfectly with my head. And look at this wave pattern, guys. So gorgeous. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to blend my leave out with this wave. I think I'm going to have to do like a crimping iron. So let me go ahead and tackle that. I'm going to lower my camera just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and tackle that, how to blend it out, but this unit is beautiful. Really nice. So I'll go ahead and complete my hairstyle. I'm going to flat iron and give these pieces up here a little curl. Use a crimping iron on my leave out, and I'll be back with the final look. All right, guys, I am back. So I have installed the unit from WoWigs, and let me tell you, this is a very, very beautiful curl pattern. This is a 20-inch U-part unit. Now, I am not the expert in blending hair, okay? I am not. So if you guys see like my little hair sticking out, please forgive me, I'm not the expert, but I wanted to come show you guys the beauty of this wig. Now, the pros of this wig, the hair is very soft and it is very tangle free. Now I have not put any product on this hair. I wanted you guys to see what you will get out of the box without any manipulation, any products, anything like that. So this hair is very beautiful. I can definitely rock this as an everyday style. If you guys are wanting to take a break from the closures, from the lace, from the frontals, this is definitely a great option. And honestly, it is very quick to install. Now, if you don't know how to cornrow, honestly, it's okay. You don't need the cornrows that I put in my hair. You don't actually need them. This is a very simple unit. If you like that sew-in look, you don't like the, you know, the lace and the glue, having to fight with all that on a daily basis, I understand. This is definitely the option for you. It gives you that sew-in and that realistic look because of your leave out. It looks like you have a sew-in. And like I said, you do want to leave out some baby hair at the front to give it more realistic look. When that wind blows, you will see your hair and not tracks. And this is overall a great unit. The sheen in this hair is wonderful. It has no funny smell, and I have gotten no tangling and very, 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 very small amounts of shedding. Even when brushing, well, I actually didn't brush it that much, but even with finger combing, it's been just a few strands, not a lot at all. And overall, it's a beautiful unit. I'm going to show you guys the back. And it's 20 inches. 20 inches, so it's pretty long. It comes, I would say, to my upper back. And in the front, this is all the hair up to the front. It comes right to my chest, and I'm 5'9", so I'm pretty tall, so this may fall longer on shorter girls, but just look at this unit. Like, look at the curl pattern, and it smells great. I mean, it smells like hair. It doesn't smell like, you know, like it just got shampooed or anything, but it doesn't have a funky smell to it. Now, I did use a crimping iron to try to blend my hair. If I took more time, I would actually get my curling wand out and make barrel curls in my hair, but my hair never has held curl very well. So I just said, you know what, let me just do this the quick way with the crimping iron, but it definitely can be blended a little bit better. Now, I can't honestly think of any cons of this unit. It is constructed very well with clips and combs. It feels very secure. This thing is not going anywhere. Clips, combs, everywhere. It is very secure. So, I mean, that's why I love U-part units. Sometimes I'd be like, Lord, I don't feel like doing the braids and leave out and stuff, but the result is always beautiful. And y'all, it's the summertime coming. It's springtime. It's already hot, like 90 degrees where I'm at now. So you definitely don't want to be fighting with that lace and stuff with this upcoming heat. So this is a great, great option. And it looks so realistic, you guys. It's like giving me scissor vibes, and I am loving it. So definitely leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know if you are going to check it out. Like I said, this is 20 inches from WoWigs hair, and all the links and information will be down in the description box. This is overall a beautiful, realistic, and natural looking unit. Like I said, this is straight out the box. No manipulation and no products in this hair. So what you see is what you will get. They don't send me any products that, you know, any better products that they will send y'all. Y'all will get the exact same great quality unit. So let me know what you think down below. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And, you know, let me know how I'm doing. Let's chat. You know, let me know what you guys want to see, any requests. I have some new exciting stuff coming from you guys. I'm collaborating with a lot more vendors. I'm just trying to expand, so definitely stay tuned for that. But that's all for today, you guys. I don't want to make this video too long. Let me know if you like this hair, and definitely follow me on Instagram. That's QTPie88. No, QTPie_hair. QTEPIEE_hair. Follow me there for more pictures and information. All right, thanks for watching, you guys.